And today we're gonna talk about environment. And don't forget again for your homework in the last is that creating the video. Don't forget. And here, environment. Before we talk about environment, what do you think about environment in your hometown? Could you explain just for a while?
Lingkungan. Environment is lingkungan.
Yeah, I
It's
see. I
about
mean, yeah. Could you describe it, your environment?
my environment in Jakarta is dirty.
Yeah, explain more again.
Because it's too much garbage and the people in here is not apa ya, is not care, is don't care about it.
Yeah, thank you very much. If you compare in your hometown, can you compare it?
In hometown, it's different. My hometown, in my environment in my hometown is clean than Jakarta.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. And the next is that we're gonna learn about vocabularies that relate on environment terms. The first vocabulary that you should learn is that acid rain. What's that? Acid rain is that rain which contains large amounts of harmful chemicals as a result of burning substances such as coal and oil. It means hujan asam itu substances or chemical substances like coal and oil. I think it's you know about that one because you know a little bit about this one, this vocabulary, I think. Acid rain. Yeah.
Industry.
Yeah, industry. In industry. Okay. If you talk about acid rain, it's mean we talk about noun. Noun. Ya, acid rain itu noun. Can you give an example? Acid rain?
In Karawang,
Yeah.
Usually acid rain because in Karawang because it where industry development.
Okay, don't forget if you said care, it mean don't care. No, is not care. Bukan is not care, tapi don't care. Sama juga aware. Aware itu sadar. Jadi jangan is not aware, but don't be.
Don't be aware.
Yeah. The next. Biodegradable. Biodegradable is mean able to decay naturally and harmlessly. Able to decay naturally and harmlessly. Mampu untuk decay. Apa itu decay? Naturally and harmlessly. Decay itu rusak. Jadi mampu untuk merusak atau mampu untuk menjadi busuk biodegradable itu secara natural atau harmlessness. Secara natural. It's mean, tahu nggak biodegradable tools atau substances seperti kayak apa bahannya?
I
Yang
don't
bisa
know.
diuraikan apa? Let's say
Paper.
leaf or paper itu bisa diuraikan kan? However, if we talk about plastic, it's categorized non biodegradable kayak gitu. Nah, if you talk about environment, let's say garbage, like you said before, you should know the vocabulary related on the way to divide it, the garbage itself, not only for biodegradable trash, but also not non-biodegradable trash, kayak gitu. Sampah yang atau tempat sampah yang khusus dapat diuraikan atau yang tidak dapat diuraikan. Nah, make sure you should pay more attention for this. The example is that biodegradable packaging helps to limit the amount of harmful chemicals released into the atmosphere. It means whatever types of litters or garbage helps or reduce or release the energy in the atmosphere. Jadi ini akan membantu sekali yang bahan-bahan yang biodegradable kayak gitu. Can you give an example?
No.
Yeah. Can you give an example, Miss?
Paper, leaf, paper leaf. There are biodegradable in environment or apa ya?
Okay, Miss.
In soil.
Make sure don't translate it Indonesia in English. You translate it, you get confused. Misalkan ini sendiri, bingung sendiri gitu. Kayak let's say Miss tadi bilang plastik dan daun ada bahan yang dapat diuraikan, gitu kan tadi mau bilang gitu kan. Saja, you should make sure apa yang jadi subjeknya if you speak. Apa yang jadi subjeknya? Let's say if you want to get the subject kayak biodegradable, itu bisa langsung dijadikan subjek. It mean if you said udah ngomong subjek, berarti langsung bertanggung jawab untuk ngomong verb. Verbnya apa nih gitu. Try again.
Biodegradable that paper and leaf.
Yeah.
It can trust in soil.
You mean dapat dicampurkan di minyak atau gimana? Gimana?
Tanah.
Oh, I see. Soil, ya Allah, sorry. I catch oil. Sorry, Miss. Can you repeat again?
Yeah.
Sorry. Can you repeat again?
Biodegradable that such as leaf and paper can be trashed in soil.
Oke. Dapat dibuang gitu maksudnya. You mean that one? Trash?
Throw.
Oh,
Throw ya?
Trash kan sampah. Oke, throw ya.
Iya.
Throw in
a soil.
Okay. That one. Microorganism. Oke, thank you. Nah, kurang dikit lagi, tadi kan Miss bilang biodegradable ini that is, ada isnya, that is apa? Plastic and leaf are thrown in a trash can. So kayak gitu. Let me note down. Miss tadi mau bilang bahan-bahan yang dapat diuraikan yang ada dalam hello?
Hello?
Ya, kayak gitu kan ngomongnya pengennya. Hello? Hello? I repeat again. Tadi Miss mau bilang, can you see the share screen? I repeat again. Tadi Miss mau bilang, can you see the share screen? Can you?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, done ya. In a chat room, biodegradable materials okay. Again, can you give an example again? Relate on biodegradable materials.
Biodegradable materials such as biodegradable materials usually can fast expire busuk.
Okay, that one kan. Cepat busuk kan, dapat cepat busuk. You mean that one?
Yeah.
Ya, apa yang kurang in a chat room? Can you open in a chat room?
R.
Ya.
Biodegradable materials usually can fast expire.
Ya, less verb ya. I mean auxiliaries. Bukan are, karena tadi udah can. Kalau can itu apa pasangannya? Kalau if you
Verb 1.
if you talk about modals, modal kalau bertemu ana, adjective, noun, dan adverb, ditambahannya apa?
Modal
Be.
plus 1.
Tadi kan are. Miss ngomong are,
Ya.
berarti it's mean be ya.
Be.
Okay, can be. Biodegradable materials usually can be fast expired. Gitu.
Ya.
Okay? Don't forget.
Yeah. In senior high school, modal plus verb 1.
Ya, modal plus verb 1. Ya. Ya, oke. Iya kayak gitu, bener. Modal per verb 1. Tapi itu kasusnya modal per verb 1 kalau modalnya bertemu verb. Nah ini, verbnya mana? Expired bukan verb. Oke.
Fast itu bukan fast.
Fast. Fast itu cepat kan?
Verb.
Mempercepat. You mean mempercepat or cepat? Ayo.
If
Karena
I say
fast-nya
mempercepat,
puasa, mempercepat. Oke. Karena fast itu verb-nya itu puasa, berpuasa, itu verb-nya. Kalau adjektifnya artinya cepat. If you want to say cepat, itu adalah accelerate. Accelerate. Tahu akselerasi? Program akselerasi, program mempercepat kelasnya. Makanya mempercepat itu bukan fast, tapi accelerate. Gitu. Accelerate.
how about fasting?
Fasting berarti berpuasa. Itu verbnya fast. Itu berpuasa. Oke, fast artinya berpuasa. Kalau adjektifnya ya fast, cepat. Jadi fast itu cepat. Kalau adjektif. Nah, kalau fast artinya berpuasa, itu verb. Ini cakrum ya.
Ya.
Oke, get it? Nggak bisa fast mempercepat. Oke, beda.
I know when senior high school, my teacher is not completely explain about it.
I see. Iya, Miss, benar. Can itu selalu verb 1. Modal selalu verb 1. Nggak boleh modal itu verb 2, verb 3 nggak boleh. Makanya cara mengantisipasinya ditambahkan di, biar bisa verb 3, biar bisa adjektif. Kayak gitu. Oke. Get it for this?
Okay.
Okay. Can you give an example again? Coba, no biodegradable, but with this one. Modal, terus be. Modalnya terserah. It can, should, shall, will, whatever.
Biodegradable materials should be thrown in the garbage.
Yeah, thank you very much. Udah benar.
Should be thrown in different place.
Oke, udah benar. Thank you very much. Should be thrown. Okay, the next. Thank you very much. The next vocabulary. Let me share screen, the vocabulary. Okay, the next vocabulary that you should learn is that biodiversity. Biodiversity, the number of variety of plants and animal species that exist in a particular environmental area or in the world generally, or the problem or preserving and protecting this. It's mean biodiversity itu udah ada di ilmu kita di biologi. If we learned in a senior high school, we have learned about biodiversity. Biodiversity itu udah tahu kan artinya? Hello? Ya, itu Mbak ya. Itu Mbak ya. Yeah. Hello. Sorry, here I have a different different email and a different account. I try it. Yeah. Therefore, the connectivity that one. Okay, the next biodiversity. Do you know that the number of variety of plant and animal species that exist in the world wide? I think we have learned about biodiversity topics. Okay, Miss?
Okay.
Yeah. I think it's not necessity to you to make a sentences. The next is this one. Desertification, a process by which land changes into desert. Apa desertification? Proses di mana tanah itu berubah menjadi desert. Itulah proses desertification. Nah, it's mean we talk about noun. Ada ionnya di sini kan? Ion, oke? Ada ionnya. Oke.
Desert berarti halus.
Ya, tanah berubah menjadi gurun. Okay. I think it's you know about that one. Karena ini learn about biology topics, I think. Karena ini perubahan kan di sertifikasi itu termasuk biology knowledge. Kita belajar tentang biology. Karena mostly if you talk about science like chemistry, physics, and this one biology, we talk about in English karena udah di bahasa Inggris kan mostly kata-kata ilmiah. Okay, the next question, the next topic is that disposal products. Nah, this one, disposal product is mean describe an item that is intended to be thrown away. Thrown ini ya, thrown tuh verb tiganya. Di itu apa? Be thrown berarti dibuang. Thrown away, dibuang. Oke. Okay? After use, setelah digunakan. Setelah digunakan. Disposal product, berarti barang-barang yang bekas. Can you give an example for this?
Disposable products that apa botol apa botol this disposable product like that bottle of mineral water should be thrown in the garbage.
Okay, thank you. This one, which is the most valuable way? Nah, this one you should answer the question them all one by one. Okay. And if question, I give you 2 minutes as usual, and I give you a feedback as long as you can be appropriate not only for the content but also for the grammar that you use. Okay. Get it for my question?
No.
No.
Recycle plastic or use plastic. Recycle plastic.
I mean, my instruction. Do you get it? My instruction?
Is your instruction it? No.
Okay, the instruction is that you should answer and choose one of them. Recycle plastic or no use plastic. If you choose recycle plastic, you should give a strong reason that you use. Why and how? Why and how? However, if you choose no use plastics, why you choose no use plastics? Okay? And how you can use another products except plastics. That one. Get it my point?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. And the first question is that, which is the most valuable way? Yang paling tepat, cara yang paling tepat. Based on you, recycle plastics or no use plastics? I give you 2 minutes.
If I choose about the recycle plastic or no use plastic, I choose simple thing. It's simple thing. We can use if we shopping in the market, we can use back paper maybe, and it can biodegradable things, but it's degradable things. And in this era, I think recycle plastics in Indonesia, in Indonesian people, it's rarely because the people, the Indonesian people who don't knows about the skill of recycle plastic.
You may continue. You haven't finished. There is the rest of time. 20 seconds.
Yeah, the most people in Indonesia is rarely to recycle plastic. They don't know knowledge about the recycle plastic use for
Okay, thank you
use
very much.
for
Thank you, done. Okay, don't forget, you should put it why and how. Let me give an example. Which is the most valuable way, recycle plastic or no use plastics? I strongly believe that more and more people in Indonesia choose recycle plastics rather than no using plastics. Why does this happen? Indonesian people are more likely to use plastic more and more. Therefore, they are responsible to recycle it, whatever they want, as long as they can. However, in effect, Indonesian people do not like to recycle plastic. They don't care about the plastics have. Jadi ada how-nya. Bagaimana sih the way people more aware toward plastic? Kayak gitu. And why? Your reason. Itu plastik. Kayak gitu. Jadi ada ininya. I give you based on the content first. Jadi kalau kontennya, why, kenapa Miss itu choose itu recycle plastik? Bisa secara general, bisa kalau Miss. Kalau secara pandangan Miss, itu kayak gini. In my view, in my opinion, itu perlu. Karena ini I ask for you to give an opinion. Untuk memilih. Saya suruh Miss untuk memilih. It mean itu opini Miss. Kayak gitu. And how? How itu apa? Cara. Atau bagaimana sih kok bisa sih kayak gitu? Gitu. For the grammar is that go shopping, Miss ya. Don't go shopping, bukan don't shopping. Nggak bisa, don't shopping. Bisa kalau don't be, ada be-nya, boleh. Kalau shopping itu noun soalnya. Belanja, belanja itu noun. Beda lagi kalau berbelanja. Beda lagi, itu shop. Bukan toko. Toko nounnya, shop itu berbelanja, itu verb-nya. Kalau Miss bilang shopping, it mean harus ada verb-nya sebelum noun. Get it for this one?
go to shopping ya.
Iya, go shopping. I go shopping. Bukan I shopping with my mother. No, I go shopping. Okay, the next question. Waste the water for planning or limitation for the water? Which one? The valuable way, based on you. You may start.
In my opinion, if I choose waste the water for planting, why? Because I in my personally, I cannot live without water. I think it's same about the planting. He can if the plant can be grown, the plant can be reboisasi the desertification. How? how to water can be used Mm, I maybe we can plan in your home. Can you plan apa ya? Can you plan can you planting plants in your home and make your home green? Okay. Finish.
Yeah, done. Thank you. Wait ya.
Deforestation. Deforestation.
Okay, the comment that I give you is that can be gone. What do you mean? Maksudnya dapat pergi gitu? Atau gimana?
No. Can be gone, but can be grow.
Oh, grown.
Grown, tumbuh.
Nggak, bukan ini, verb 3-nya ya, bisa bukan verb 2-nya. Can be grown.
Can be grown.
Grow verb 1-nya. Grown. Kayak gini ya.
Iya. Yeah.
Oke, berarti apa tumbuh ya? Make sure. Ingat lagi verb 1, verb 2, verb 3-nya. Oke, the next ini apa? Reboisasi itu reforestation. Forest artinya hutan, forestation, reforestation berarti penanaman hutan
Kembali.
Ada re-nya. Kalau ada re selalu itu. Registration berarti pendaftaran kembali. Replay berarti membalas kembali. Re berarti membalas atau mengulangi lagi kayak gitu. Itu artinya re. Itu. The next ini nih, tadi di akhir you can bingung kan artinya menanam sama tanaman?
Iya. Yeah.
Actually this both of them have a same meaning actually. Plant itu
Tanaman.
bisa tanaman, bisa menanam. Jadi instead of you can plant the plant. Ada 2 kan? Jadi pilih salah satu aja biar tidak rancu keduanya. Bisa bilang crop. Crop itu bisa tanaman juga bisa menanam. Kalau tanaman berarti noun fungsinya. You can crop the plants. Kamu dapat menanam tanaman being green. Yang mana menjadi hijau. Gitu kan? To be atau to get better future. Mungkin kayak gitu. Boleh kayak gitu. Get it for my feedback?
Ya, oke.
Okay, the next adalah stop to supply natural resources or improving quality of Earth citizens. Which is most valuable way based on you?
Natural resource or improving quality of
Get it for my question?
I would like to translate to bahasa ya.
Ya,
Berhenti untuk mensupply stop berhenti untuk mensupply
ya mensuplai.
naturalis
Ya, natural
alami
resources. Ya,
atau menambahkan kualitas
ya,
dari
umat manusia,
citizen apa?
umat manusia.
Manusia.
Atau kita ini populasi manusia, bukan hewan loh ya. Meningkatkan kualitas
Iya.
manusia. Oke, which one? Valuable way.
I think I just improving quality of our citizen. Why? Because because in Indonesia, the mostly people in Indonesia cannot cannot see or cannot they don't care about this environment. So how to improve the quality of our citizen? The knowledge
Ya,
the
ya.
knowledge
Hmm?
of or the knowledge or